How long of a flight do you want?
3 hours.
3 hours? I don't know if I can do 3 hours.
About 1 hour.
No, I don't know about that either.
Let's see. Down. And then. That was 1 hour. Can you do it on 3 hours?
Don't lean forward. Legs out. There you go. Now can you do it with no hands?
You did yesterday.
You can't do it with no hands. You want to try it one more time?
No.
Come on.
Still holding hand one.
I'm going to put my feet here.
Right here?
And then do no hands. No hands.
Now we can.
You got to put your legs straight out. Straight up. There you go. Ooh. Alright, now the helicopter?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's do a helicopter now. Folks! Folks!
Ready?
Yeah. Stop.
Okay. Now walk.
Whoa.